Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in last video we left here with our first page we were creating, where we have created navbar section 1, section 2, section 3 and footer. Let's run this again with live server and you can see this. This is navbar section 1, 2, 3 and footer. So now we are going to design this. For this we need different things. Like first we need to have colors. We cannot give any color, so go to color hunt and select your theme. As per your theme, like if I am going with this theme, copy this color codes and paste this in sticky notes, or you can save this. Let me save it here also, and also in sticky note I am pasting these colors, copying the second color, pasting it in sticky note, copying the third color, pasting it in sticky note. We are copying this color because this will be our theme. We cannot give any color, it will not look good. So all the colors are copied here. Now we need a logo for our page. For that, go to experty.com/logo maker. Logo maker. Now add a text here. Logo text will be 0th page and slogan will be learners page. Click on next. Go to your favorite design. Click on that design. Suppose I am liking this design, I will click on it. You can change the logo here. Different logos are here. I am comfortable with this. You can change the typography here, anything you want. Font size. You can change the layout here. Logo left, logo top, logo right. I am comfortable with logo left. And also you can change the color. So here we will be using that color which we have copied in sticky note. So first color will be this, and all the second colors will be the last one, because first color is dark and last one is the light one. And on dark our logo should be like this, light one here. Now as you can see that this logo is ready. Now we can download it from this button. Click on download and you will get three options: PNG, bundle, SVG. You can either download PNG or bundle of logos with different shapes and size, or either you can download the SVG file here. I am going with PNG. I will be clicking on PNG and the download will be completed. Now you can go to downloads and click on the logo to see what you have downloaded. Cool. Go back to VS Code. Now we need that logo in this navbar. For that we are going to create a div here. Inside div we need a image tag here. Image tag have two properties, like source, which will take the URL of the image, and another one is alternate text, which is alt. So I'm giving alternate text logo image, or just give logo, because it is already image, so we don't need to give image here. So in source we need the URL of the image. So in one directory we need to paste the URL, or you can say image here. So go back to your downloads, copy the logo, go to 0 directory, in one paste the image here, logo. Close this, go back to your VS Code, you will see logo.png here. Just give here logo.png. Save this file. Go back to your first page. You can see image has rendered here, but you can see this is very big image. We want it very small. For that, what you can do, you can give the image a class here, or let's check height here. Height, let's give 70 60 pixel. Save it and let's check. You can see logo is very small now. Let's remember what was the height of our navbar. Navbar was 75 pixel, so let's give it 75 pixel. Save it. After saving, you can see that this logo is fitted to this navbar. Now we need the width here to be little bit more. For that we can give here width. Am I giving 150 pixel? Let's save it and see how is this. It's looking good. But also we need the colors here. So for navbar I am giving this color only, which we have copied, the top one. Copy this, go to your code in one.css, in navbar, paste this code, save it, go back to your page, and this is looking good now. Zeroth page. Now we need elements here like home, about us, contact us. 3. For that we need to create 3 divs, but that 3 divs should be below this div. I am creating a div which will consist of all 3 divs. So div 1, div 2, control C plus control V, and div 3. Now inside this div, give the text home. In second one, give about, and in third one, give contact. Save this file and go back to your browser. You can see these 3 texts are coming here, but we want it in straight row. For that, we need to give this class navbar a property called flex, which if you remember we have studied in last lecture. Display flex. Save this file. Now you can see this is coming like this. Now we want this whole to be here. For that there is another property which is justify content space between. Save it. Go back to your browser. It is at the end. But you can see this is not what we want. For that we need further styling in the inner divs. First we need to give a class here, and I am giving class to nav content. Now copy this nav content, save the file, go to one.css, below navbar, give nav content a style, display again flex, save the file, go back to browser, and now home, about, contact are coming like that. Now we need to give independent styles to all this. Give class and give nav item. Copy this nav item class, paste it in all the 3. Now copy this nav item class, go back to one.css, paste nav item, and give margin top bottom 20 pixel, left right 5 pixel. Save the file, go back to your browser. Little bit more it can come below, so give top bottom 25 pixel. Save this. Now it is looking good. We need little bit more font size. Give font size large. Save the file, It is large now. Now we need more space. For that, we need to give left right margin 15 pixel. Now it is like this. We want this text to be white, because not white, this color, the last color of this. So copy this color, go back to nav item and give color and paste the color. Save the file. You can see now it is looking like this. Home, about, contact. I need little bit more size, so I will go with larger. Save it. Mm. Now we need to do one thing more. We need this home inside the anchor tag. Create an anchor tag here. Anchor tag takes one property, which is href. Give href home here. Home in string. Similarly, this anchor tab will be for about and will be for contact. And then about and contact will be same inside this anchor tag, like the above one. And home will be now about here, and contact will be contact. All this should be ID, because we want to move on the click of this text. Once you save it, you will see that the style has changed here. To give them proper style, what we need to do, we will select nav item, and inside the anchor tag we will say text decoration none. Save this, go back to your browser. You will see that underline has been went away. Now we want the color, so give the color here. Save it, go back to your browser. Now it is looking like this. Now we need to map those ID which we have given in href to this divs. So select this home and give it here ID, and similarly ID here will be about, and here ID will be contact. Save this file, go back to your browser, reload this page and click on home. You will see home page is coming on top. Click on about page is coming up. Click on contact page is coming up. So that's all for today's lecture. We will cover more how to make this navbar sticky, so it will stick at the top. How more whatever we scroll, it will not move or not disappear. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.